Hello and hi friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving 1% family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and see the farmhouse. Later I'll carry you soon in a new journey of story. Infinite affection. To now let's go. Once in a quaint village nestled among the rolling hills, there lived an old man named Peter. Peter has a small farmhouse and lived a quiet life, but what set him apart was his boundless affection for all living things. Every day he would rise with the sun and tend to his garden, and speaking kindly to his plants and animals as if they were his closest friends. One day, a young boy named Timmy, who has recently lost his parents, came to live with Peter. Timmy was sad and withdrawn, his heart heavy with grief. Peter welcomed him with his open arms, treating him with the same love and care he showed to his garden. Peter taught Timmy how to plant seeds and nurture them, and showing him that with the patience and affection, even the smallest seed could grow into something beautiful. Slowly, Timmy began to open up and finding comfort in the routines of farm life and unconditional love Peter offered. As the seasons passed, Timmy's sorrow transformed into hope and joy. He realized that the affection Peter had shown him had healed his heart. Timmy started sharing this love with others in the village, helping those in the needs and spreading kindness wherever he went. Years later, when Peter passed away, Timmy took over the farmhouse. He continued the Peter's legacy of infinite affection, ensuring that everyone who came to the farmhouse felt the warmth of love and care. The village flourished under the Timmy's kindness, becoming a place where the affection and compassion were boundless. Last moral of the story is love and affection, when given freely and unconditionally, have the power to heal the deepest wounds and nurture growth in others. By sharing kindness and compassion, we can create a world where everyone feels valued and cherished. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
Everything you want, but you can't have. Number one regret, no takebacks. The hole in your chest, that's payback. Payback, yeah, you better take that. You could call me selfish, you critical, I could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't want that. This might hurt, but that's just karma. Better take that. Call it payback.